In the previous video of this series, we saw how to customize the navigation menus in WordPress. This is an 8-part series where you can learn customization of any WordPress website easily. Hi, I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. In today's video we're going to learn to create a complete simple website from the scratch without using any codes. Instead, we're going to use the default options only. And we are going to do this on newly updated WordPress and latest WordPress block theme 2022. By the way, we make videos on WordPress, website and social media strategy, web design, and development. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. As you can see, this is the demo side. Here on the top right corner of this demo side, you'll find 4 pages. Home page, About Us page, Blog page, Contact page. And at the top left corner the company logo and name of the company. Then you can see there is a title in the center. Next there will be a hero section. Here you'll find a title, simple button, and in the background you'll find an image with overlay. Next comes all the offering service sections. In this sections, there will be responsive design, social media, web design, etc. After that comes the Our Blog section. 6 blog posts will be highlighted. In each of the section, there will be a feature image area, title, description and date. After the 6 blog posts, there will next and previous page option here. After that you can see the call to action section, or in short CTA. In the CTA part, on the left side there's an image, and in the right side heading, and down the heading there is call us section area. And at the very last, there will be our page's footer section. We are done with the homepage explanation. Now let's discuss About Us page section. Just to give you an idea, here in every page all the header part will remain the same. So at first, you'll find a title at the top right corner and an image at the top left corner. Beside the image, you can see heading in a paragraph. Next you can see the Our Team section. You can see our 3 team members image, including their name and respected designation. Just after this section, you'll find the same CTA part, which I've already showed, into the home section. And the footer is also like our previous home page. In blog page section area, it'll show the recent blog post, and like previous pages, the header part will be the same. You can see all the posts here. By default, you'll be able to see 10 posts here. And then at the very end of the page, you'll see next page option. And also the footer section. Now, let me open a blog post page and show you how it looks. At first, you'll see the detail of this specific post. For example, post title, featured image, description, content, date, author, category, comment box, and lastly, footer. So, this is our blog page. Now, let's go to the next page. Now, finally we're going to talk about the contact page. Just like the previous pages, there won't be any changes for the header part. Then comes the title, and after the title there will be a contact form at left corner side of the page. This contact form is added specially for the visitors, so that they could easily send us messages regarding any issue by adding the simple details. And beside the user contact form, our contact details will be there too. Just like the previous pages, footer part will be the same. So, this was a complete walkthrough of the project. Now let's start creating a simple website using this default settings, and our target will be to make the complete site just as it is. To do that work, I've already installed a fresh copy of WordPress. As you can see, here I'll be using the latest WordPress version, which is 5.9 version, newly released on January 25, 2022. It has a lot of similar options from previous versions, But there are a lot of new features too, which has been added in this version. This gives WordPress a next level customization flexibility. We will go through those and learn while doing this project. At first, I'm gonna select the pages for the sections. Go to the dashboard, click on Pages and then select All Pages. As we have 4 sections to work on, we will need 4 pages. I'm opening 4 new page windows so that it makes the task a bit easy. Now, work on the first page. Type down Home, keeping the default template. Publish. Go to the second window page. Make it About Us page. Just like the first page, keep the default template and publish. Do the same for the rest of the pages. Refresh the page to see the changes. Our initial work is done for all 4 pages. At this point, we need to go to Appearance and select Editor. A small note: in the previous version, here in this menu, after Themes there were options like Menu, Widgets, Customize or Editor, etc. But in this 5.9 latest version, this place has been rearranged. So, just click on Editor to set up the global settings. Now from here, click on the arrow and select Browse All Templates. You will find a lot of templates, but select Display a Single Page, as we're gonna work with only single page. You can see here you can add the logo and the title. So, let's just quickly add the logo. As you can see, I've already uploaded all the image I'll be using for this project. Now click on your company and set up the text settings as you want. Click on the side menu section. From header navigation, click on Create New Menu. Select Start Empty, as we want to create a complete fresh new menu. Add the home link here. Now if you click on this home link, you'll see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign and add block. Add the About Us link in this section. So, following the same process to complete the menu section. Here, our header section is complete. It's a global setup, and that means all the page's header will be the same. At this point, click on the post content and turn off Inherit Default Layer and change the content in wide. So now, it will get more space and look bigger. Save it, as this will be the global setting for all the 4 pages. We're done working on the global setup. Now go to the dashboard again for further setup. From Settings option, click on Reading. Here, from your home page display, select a static page and select Home and Blog page. Save the changes. Now go to Visit Site and you'll get an overview of the homepage. That doesn't contain any data as we haven't added any, because we are working with the default theme. Now if I click on Appearance and select Theme, you can see it showing that we're using the 2022 WordPress theme. Now, select the text from here and from Dashboard go to Pages. From Homepage section do the quick edit by adding the copied text. Update and refresh the page. You can see the text now. Now comes the Hero section. To work on that, from the home page click on Edit Page. To add the background overlay, like this one, click on the plus sign and search for Cover. From here, you can either upload, or go to Media Library. As I've already uploaded all the images, I'm gonna just select the image by clicking Media Library. So, image is showing, but I'm gonna reduce the opacity of the overlay. To do that, click on the image, and from the opacity options section, change the opacity amount. Now, copy the text and paste it on the newly created Hero section. Convert the text into heading. Keep the heading at the center. Click on the 3 dots and select Insert After. Now click on the plus sign and add a button here. Keep it into center and change the text as Contact Us. And add the contact page link in here as well. Now update and refresh the page. To make it more readable, I may fix the space between the button and text. Let's work on the next section, which is the service section. So, if you look at the sample site, you'll see this responsive design, and we're going to make this section now. And to do that, from the Hero section, click on the Add section, select 2-column structure. Select an image from Media Library. Now, align this section to the middle. Copy the text from the sample page responsive design. Now, add a heading into this section and paste the text here. Change the heading. Copy paragraphs as well, and add into the section. After that, click on Insert After, add first para, and duplicate this one for the second para. Just filling up some demo text here. So, 2 separate para is complete. Follow the same steps for the rest of the service sections, where the design pattern will be same, but in a reverse order. As I've already showed you, the first one, so I'm going fast here. Hope you get the idea. So, here the service section is done and you can add the contents as you want. Update and refresh the page. Now make the titles bold to give it a more prominent look. If you look carefully in our sample page, there is gap between the hero section and the service section. And we need to fix this area. So to do that, click on this image and click on Insert After. In this section we'll add spacer. Increase the height. We need to fix it for every section, because a gap can help to make every section different from each other. And just duplicate and use it for the rest of the sections, by clicking on the down-facing arrow. You can see how sharp and well organized it looks after adding the space between each section. To work on this, first add a heading. Change the size of the heading. Now, you can see from the demo page, there are 6 posts showing in grid form. So, to create this exact format, go to that Add section and search for Query Loop. So, if you click on this query loop, you will find some options. And here, you can see the grid thumbnail option. Click here. Select the one, which is similar to our demo page. So now, you can see, it's showing more than 6 posts. And to make it look less, click on to the display settings. Choose your desired item per page. I'm gonna select 6, because I want to show 6 posts in this blog page. Update and refresh the page. You can see, it looks exactly like our sample page. If you want, you can also make it look larger, as I'm doing it here. Looks like it needs some space. Just click on the From Our Blog, and click on the 3 dots. Now select Insert Before. Just like the previous one, follow the same space-giving process. Update and refresh the page. And now, you can see a nice big space here. So now, all of the 6 posts are in here, including the next page and previous page option. Now let's start working on the CTA section. As you can see, it has an image on the left, a heading and a paragraph on the right. At first, click on the plus and add a spacer here. Change the spacer height. Now selecting 2 box-shaped structure columns. Just following the previous steps. For an example, selecting an image from Media Library and keeping the A line to the middle. Copy the heading from the demo page. Now again, add a heading and pasting the copied heading from the demo page. Select H4 heading. After that, we're gonna add contact information here. Make it bold. And so far, our home page looks very much okay. At this point, let's go to the About Us page, and then, select two-column structure. Now quickly, add an image and a heading. Copy the heading and paste it in here. Keep the H2 heading. Again, copy this particular demo text and click on Insert After, just like before. To bring it into the center, choose Align Middle. Let's update and refresh the page. So far, everything looks fine. Now let's focus on creating our team page area. First, give it a spacing. Edit the title name. Add a H3 heading. Select a 3-column structure. Just like the demo page, we're going to add image, name, and email. So, start by adding an image. We've added all the images. Click on plus sign, click Insert After and add the name to each image. Keep the text in center. Now, copy the first name and, by using Insert After option, and paste the copied name here. Do the same for the last one as well. And now, quickly change the names. In the first column, add Insert After, Align Center, and add an email address in here. Do the same for the rest. As always, update and refresh the page. Here you can see how smoothly we've created our team page. Now, you can see there is a CTA section. Because, we've created it once, at the home page, so now we're not going to make it again. Just copy that part. Here I'm adding a spacer and add the previously made CTA part here, that we've copied earlier. Now update and refresh the page. Now let's work onto our contact page. First, copy the title from the demo page, which is Get in Touch. From the dashboard, go to Quick Edit, change the title as Get in Touch. Now click on Edit Page. Go to Visit Site and finally go to the contact page. Here, you can see two boxes, just like a contact form. One is send message and the other one is say hello. Now selecting to structure 70 by 30 column. As the form will be bigger in the left portion. So quickly. Add a H4 heading and copy this text. Now click on the left side box and add paragraph and paste the copied text here. Edit the title as say hello. Update and refresh the page. So now, we're gonna add all the informations and text just like the demo page. At the Say Hello section, we're gonna select List and then add address, phone number and email address. So our right side section is complete. And now we're gonna work on the left section. Here, we need to create a form, and to do so, we'll be needing a plugin called Contact Form 7. We have already covered this in our previous video of this series. After installation, in the dashboard, you'll find the contact option here. Click on Contact Form and you'll find different contact forms here. So now click on the Send Message section and add Insert after. But before everything, quickly update and refresh the page. Click on the plus sign and search for Contact and select the newly added Contact plugin. So in here, you'll see only one form under Select a Contact Form, and we're gonna select this one only. Update and refresh the page. You can see a nice contact form. Let's just quickly check out the complete overview of all the pages. If you go to Homepage, you'll see it is exactly like the demo site. Similarly, the About Us page and our blog page is also ready. As you can see, the latest blog posts in here. If I click on the next page, it'll show the remaining posts. And, if you click on any particular post, then you'll be able to see the details of the post, including the comment box. And if you go to the contact page, you will find the two separated sides for contact information and details. So finally, we've created this simple but functional website without the help of any code. In the next video, in bonus part of the series, we will learn how to move a website from a local host to a live server and make it a live website. So, if you like this video in this series, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. You need a business website for your business to grow? Please don't forget to check the description box for our premium WordPress themes, and I'll see you in the next video.